Policy Acknowledgements. Assigning policies to employees based on their specific roles ensures that they have access to the most relevant information for their duties, promoting compliance and safe work practices. By tracking employee acknowledgement of these policies, businesses can maintain accountability, reduce the risk of non-compliance, and demonstrate a proactive approach to meeting legal and operational standards. This also provides a clear audit trail, strengthening the company's governance and risk management efforts. The HR module enables managers to assign specific policies to selected employees and then track their acknowledgement record. Assigning policy to an employee. There are two ways to assign a policy. The first method is to navigate to the Employees List page and select all the employees for whom you need to assign a policy. Once selected, go to the Policy Management button and press Assign Policy. Select the relevant policy you wish to assign here, and then click OK. This method is useful when a batch of employees are required to be assigned the same policy. The second method is to navigate to the Details page of an employee record. Next, go to the Policy Management button and press Assign Policy. Select the relevant policy you wish to assign here and then click OK. Now, the selected policy has been assigned to the subject employee only. Once the employee has been assigned a policy, the employee shall receive an email notifying the policy assignment for compliance. As the employee clicks on the Read and Acknowledge Policy button in the email, a form shall open. The form has a link to the policy document and requires the employee to confirm that they have read and understood the policy. In case the subject employee does not acknowledge this task for 2 weeks, an alert task is generated for the policies team, notifying them to connect with the subject employee and take the issue forward. Policy Acknowledgement. As soon as the policy is assigned to the employee, the system creates a record of it. You can view this record in 2 ways. To access record via first method, click Human Resources from Explorer sidebar, then Employees. From the Employees List page, locate the subject employee record and click on its title. Navigate to the HR tab and then click Policy Acknowledgements. This shows the list of the policy assignments for the subject employee. The second method to access this record is from the Policies module. Navigate to the Policies List page from the Explorer sidebar. Then click on the title of the desired policy. Navigate to the Policy Acknowledgements tab. This will show the list of all the employees who have been assigned the subject policy. This provides information from the policy perspective. As mentioned earlier in this tutorial, the selected employee shall receive an email to read and acknowledge the assigned policy. The email opens a form. As soon as the employee fills and submits this form indicating the acknowledgement of policy, the record is updated here in real time, automatically. To learn more about creating, editing, and deleting policies in the system, refer to this tutorial. You can also learn about the policy reporting dashboard using this tutorial.